An APNU AFC delegation met with the full commission, and we expressed our concern about the delay in making a declaration. We expressed our concern that business had come to a virtual halt, that there was uncertainty and tension, and that the situation in the country was becoming dangerous day by day. And the longer that it took to make a declaration and bring this process to an end, the more likely we were to move to the edge of disorder. And in that regard, we urged the Guyana Election Commission to speed up the process so that we can have an early declaration. I'll ask Mr. Trotman, Mr. Harmon, and Mr. Williams.
Well, basically what we want to do is, having regard to what happened here this afternoon at the Elections Commission, we are asking, we were told by the Elections Commission that they will be sharing the statements of poll which they have in their possession with the press, all of it, that is to say, all that they have with you, and you will be able to make your judgment as to where we stand in this process. I trust that as soon as you do that, you'll be able to make the necessary deductions and understand what has happened in these elections. All we ask...
Harmon and Mr. Granger, we have heard from the Commission, we have impressed on them that we are quite anxious to have the formal process concluded, and that the people of Guyana, more importantly, need to know. We believe that the requests for recount, though they have started, were done in error, and that the Commission should not continue beyond those few that have started. Because if not, we could have a ridiculous situation of boxes being opened throughout the country, and I don't think that the country and the people of Guyana deserve that. And so far as the people themselves, I appeal, like Joe,
that the chairman of GCOM, that they will release all of the statements of polls that they have. They will release it this evening, and that is about, I believe, 94% of the 100% they have, but they will release about 94% of
which they have finished,
the statement which they have finished verifying.
Did you get an assurance that they will stop the count of the ballots?
That is going to be considered.
They will determine by returning out.
2 days after the polls had closed, the Guyanese population still had not been given the satisfaction of a declaration of the results. The business was slowing down, and the people themselves were becoming restless. We felt also that many of the requests for recount were frivolous. They did not have, not frivolous, no reason was stated, and that it was not sufficient ground for more and more boxes to be opened. And there seemed to be a deliberate plan to simply call for the opening of boxes in all 10 regions in order to delay the possibility of having an early declaration. So we feel it is contrived, and it is causing great distress to the population of Guyana. That is the matter we brought before.
Mr. Granger, what is the plan for the coalition at this time, given what has happened now?
Well, we are going to go to the public. We are going to sensitize them. Our message to the business community is that APNU and AFC, as a coalition, is concerned with the slowdown in business, and we have therefore urged the Commission to have the declaration as early as possible so the country could return to normalcy. Not only business, everybody is dissatisfied with the slow pace of the electoral process. And that is my message to the entire country. Let GCOM get on with the business, and let's have an early declaration. The sooner the better.